From Juneau. My name is Jenny Leffing, and I'm the School Climate and Conference Coordinator with the Association of Alaska School Boards. Trauma-engaged practices are most effective with the support and buy-in from your entire school community, meaning students, families, and your staff. Developing a plan that includes those voices of your stakeholders can help ensure buy-in and ensure that everyone is on the same page. One key way to ensure these voices are included in your initial planning is to look at data that you have available for your school and communities. This can be anything from school climate data, youth risk behavior survey data, your graduation rates, discipline records, academic scores, whatever information you have at the ready for your school and community. When I think of data, I look at data as a way of helping you understand the stories of the people within your communities. And there's a quote from that I believe I got from Panorama Education that says, "Data is storytelling and we are the narrators." It's important to take the time to explore all the data that you have collected across your community. Knowing that data helps you when whatever your role is in your school and community to make data informed decisions. It's a way to identify what's working well, what everyone feels about what's happening in your schools and communities. And it also gives you a chance to identify opportunities, challenges, and obstacles that you can build from. So the process to start, I do understand that sometimes the process of looking at any data set can feel overwhelming. It's so easy to go straight to one data point and then immediately jump to what can you do, which is important. While exploring those action steps is important, before going there, it's important to pause and just take a look at your data and reflect. Try to make meaning out of what the data is telling you, and from there explore possibilities rather than just going straight from a data point to action. To help you with that process, we wanted to share with you a tool called the Ladder of Inference to guide you and your school communities in starting to understand and analyzing your data with any data set. So we are going to play for you a short 6-minute video from Panorama Education to introduce you to the Ladder of Inference tool. Now that you've had a chance to watch the Ladder of Inference video from Panorama Education, I have some suggestions on how you can get started in using this tool to look at your data. Number one, pick a data set to look at. As I mentioned earlier, you have so much data available to you for your schools and communities. That could include the statewide school climate and connectedness survey, youth risk behavior survey, your attendance records, graduation rates, or academic outcomes. Once you pick a data set to look at, the next piece is to set aside intentional time for yourself as well as your stakeholders to review and discuss these results to help you move from data to action. Once you set aside this intentional time, from that intentional time, you can use the process that was mentioned in the Ladder of Inference of things to pause, think about what you see and what this means. And from there, together in your stakeholder groups, you can identify action steps and share those action steps with your school communities. I hope these steps are helpful to you as you start to dig into data to help you build your trauma-engaged plan. Thank you.